Two. Okay, part two. So,
I tagged you earlier.
Oh.
You're fine.
Okay, guys, so she's right there, and I was about to tag her. No! Uh-oh, she's going that corner. I see her. She hates this. Should I trick her, guys? Me versus her. Wait. I'm posting this. I can't right now. I'm going to bed.
With the Body Gym, you can get a great workout. You also get the Body Gym DVD with targeted workouts for every area of the body, so you'll get results.
Oh, what? I'm up. Uh-oh. Somebody's... That door is locked now. You could go out. That door is locked now. Only the secret. Oh, I can't move it.
I see you.
She's up to something. Where is she, guys? I can't see her. I could see her. Where is she, guys? I'm gonna try to prank her. Michaela, there's a dog.
Wait, where?
Over there.
Be honest.
There's actually a dog.
Mess with it. Where?
Over there. Don't you guys see the dog? Meow.
Okay, guys, we're not playing this anymore, but we're trying to figure out where this dog
Don't
is.
you guys see the dog?
Let me see the camera. I'll follow you. I don't see it. Connie, don't go too far. No. Connie, you can't go past here. Meow.
It ran off.
Come on. Let's go watch this video. I didn't see it unless you guys did, unless I might see it in the video.